Let's start making a realistic eye with ballpoint pen. So first of all, I'm making my outlines, which I'm making directly with pen. You can also use pencil for this. I like to make big and fuller eyes, so I'll be doing exactly that. After this, I'll make outlines of her eyebrow, as it makes shading easier for me. Remember I said I like big and fuller eyes? I like to go with the easiest to the toughest part of the painting, and eyebrow is the easiest part for me, so I'll be going with that first. Also, this is not the end. I'll be giving some details in the brow at the last. So the inner circle is the darkest part, so I made it as dark as possible, and after that I made a highlight because it helps your eyebrow look more realistic. I also like to make these nerve-like effects in the eye, but we'll blend it afterwards, so don't worry about it. Then I'll start shading my upper part of the lens as it is the darkest. I know usually in shading we go from light to dark, but this is a pen shading and I don't want to take risk. Also, I found it easier going from dark to light, and that's what matters, right? Then I'll make the outline of her iris, which is usually dark. Here I'm trying to find the darkest and lightest part of the eye, as we are trying to make a realistic eye. The more the shades, the better the results. Now I'm giving basic shades to her eyelid. Please don't be confused because of me from jumping from iris to hood to eyebrow. This is how I usually work, as this helps me figure out the shades better. And trust me, it will help you too. As you can see, I'm using here a hatching technique, and unlike the iris, this time I'm going from light to dark. Now I'll be blending her shades from the darkest area of the upper eye to the lightest area. I'm trying to shade as light as possible. Also, I'm trying to blend everything out. Here we have to try to use our pen as a blending pencil. And see, just like that, the nerves have been blended out. After that, I'm starting to make lashes. I like fuller lashes, like my fuller eye. Some people prefer to make thicker yet long lashes. It's your own personal choice. You can pick whatever style you want. Now I'll be making very small yet visible lower lash line and lower lashes. Be very patient while making the tear duct. It can make your eye beautiful or bad worse. Then I'll start shading the upper part of the sclera or the white portion of her eye, as it's usually dark because of the shades. I'll also give some lashy effect on her highlight too. It helps her eye look more realistic and beautiful. Wow! Giving some random shades to her white portion to help it look more realistic. Now I'll start shading the skin which is near to her eye. Of course, I don't know the name of everything. I'll be using hatching and cross hatching and try to make it as realistic as possible. I also made lower lid as it helps her eye look more realistic. And of course, we'll add some shades under it also. Then I'll complete the hood of the eye. Try to find the darkest areas of the hood along with the light highlights. If you might have noticed by now, I'm trying to use my ball pen as a feather. Then I'll start making the lower hair of her eyebrow. And yes, I like thicker eyebrows because I have thicker eyebrows. And our ballpoint pen eye is done here. Hit the like button if you like the video and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Bye bye.